Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by confirming your iPhone model and the iOS version. This matters because features differ by release. Next, enable dictation from Settings General Keyboard. This activates the local speech engine. Make sure Siri is on and microphone access is allowed in Settings Siri and Search and Privacy. Without permissions, audio never reaches the speech-to-text engine. Once done, reboot the phone to apply system-level permissions and cache resets. That often clears immediate blocking issues. Now configure languages and input paths. Add the keyboard languages you use and download offline dictation packs where available, because offline models reduce latency. Test speech-to-text in Notes, Messages, and a third-party app to see if failures are app-specific. If accuracy is poor, record a voice memo to verify microphone hardware. Background noise, muffled sound, or case obstruction explains many errors. Once you isolate whether the issue is app, network, or hardware, you can apply focused fixes finish by applying targeted fixes. Reset the keyboard dictionary, or if problems persist, choose Reset All Settings. This preserves data but clears misconfigurations. Update iOS to the latest build and reinstall any app that fails. App bugs are common. If nothing helps, restore from a recent backup or contact Apple support. One key troubleshooting tip: disable Bluetooth and noise cancellation to ensure the internal mic is used. If you still get poor results, check microphone openings for debris or try an external mic to confirm hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.